Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to remove items on your Burger King online cart. Open the website bk.com, then click Sign Up. Then you will see a section for Sign In. Click on Sign In. Now enter your email address. After entering, click the Sign In button. Once you're signed in, you will see a bag icon at the upper right corner of this page. Click on the bag icon. Now, you will see the list of items on your cart. Click on the Remove option under the item you want to remove. A pop-up message will appear asking if you are sure to remove the selected item on your cart. To continue, click on OK. Then just repeat the previous steps to remove the other items. That's how you remove items on your Burger King online cart. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.